everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. Not tonight. Thanks for joining me right now. I'm so used to saying tonight, but yes, thanks for joining me. And yeah, we're going to learn some few things that I have with me. And the first thing I have is this broom right here. You know how we call this? You don't know? Well, this is called kihato. 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 This is called kihato. Kihato. Now, I'm going to pick something different, just things that are around me here. And the second thing we're going to learn is this here. This here is called mogeka. 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 Sorry for the noise that's coming from my background. Mogeka. Now, I have something different. And that's it. This here is called, this is a towel. It's called tauro. 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 Now, I have something else I want to teach you. This here, this is a maize comb, as you can see. It's called bebe. 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 Now, up there's that tree. The tree is a purple tree. Now, the purples, how they are called is mafafai. 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 Now, we still have something else, just things around me. This here, I want to pluck it and show you. These are onions. Onions. Getogoro. So delicious. Getogoro. Getogoro. I want to bite. So nice, so nice. Getogoro. Now, I have something else. Here, behind me is a tree. This tree is called a tree. It's called mote. 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 Now, on the tree, on that tree are some flowers, which I'm not going to be able to pluck. Maybe. Oh. Now, my fellow viewers, this is a flower, a beautiful flower. This flower is called ihoa. 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 It doesn't smell, but it looks really beautiful. very beautiful. Now the other thing I'm going to teach you is behind me is this kind of shoe. This is a shoe and we call this kirato. 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 Now I also have something else. We also have this. Oh, sorry. This is a pair of slippers or flip-flops, for those who call them flip-flops. This we call it tari tari. Tari tari. Tari tari. Tari tari. Now I still have something for you, and this is a pair of, well, this is a gumboot. I have a pair, but I just picked one shoe to show you. This is called gumfuti. 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 Now I still have something to show you. I have these keys with me. A bundle of keys. You call keys shafi. 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 There is also a padlock. A padlock is called kufuri. 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 Or you can even say this together with this. Kufuri na shafishi yake. Kufuri na shafishi yake. Shafi are the keys. Kufuri is the padlock. Now you can see behind me the sun just came and it's really shining directly behind me, and apparently I have to end this video right here. Thanks everyone, and for those who are watching me wherever you are, thanks a lot. I so much appreciate. Keep subscribing, share this, give it a like and comment to this video. With those few words, I hope you learned something today, and I'm looking forward to shoot some more videos and even give you some more lessons. And with those few words, I want to end this video right here because it's really hot. For those who are asking themselves what background I have behind me, I'm not where I always shoot my videos. I am right here in Kenya, where the language originated from. I'm at home, my native home, my original home, and this is why I'm shooting this video right from this background. Maybe I should show you around. You can see the sun. Oh my goodness, the sun is amazing. Those who are having winter, I'm sorry for you guys. Here we just enjoy the sun. We are enjoying the sun. Really amazing. Now I want to end this video right here. Goodbye, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.